Sir, actually, yun din yung tanong ko. Pero basically, yung sabi ni Attorney Congressman Jokno, no, if Congress will designate prosecutors to the panel, that is already a very clear indication that they want to proceed with the case. So parang wala nang need for another certification communicating that they want to pursue the impeachment trial.
Actually, yung pag-authorize ng mga House prosecutors, no, pagbibigay ng authority, I think it will also be contained in a resolution because as you know, the Congress is a collegial body and it can only act collegially through its parliamentary procedures such as passing of a resolution or a bill. So I think since there's already going to be that process of authorizing the prosecutors, so magandang isabay na lang rin po yung resolution na yon. At pwede naman nakalakip yon doon sa isang resolution lang.
Pero ang sinasabi po ni Congressman Jokno, the fact na mag-e-elect sila ng prosecutors, hindi raw ba enough na yon na communication na gusto nilang ituloy yung impeachment trial po at hindi na kailangan ng hiwalay na certification?
Well, if that is the position po of the House prosecutors, then we will just await whatever filing that they will make in due time once they convene the 20th Congress.
As far as you're concerned, attorney, hindi enough yung pag-elect po na ng prosecutors. Kailangan may hiwalay na communication na nagsasabing gusto naming ituloy itong impeachment trial na to.
Well, the question should be asked again, how will that election or authorization of the House prosecutors will happen? Paano sila ma-authorize? In what kind of action? Is it just a letter from the Speaker? Or is it a formal authorization coming from the plenary of Congress itself? So, wala naman tayong question na gagawin yon at naniniwala tayo sa kakayanan naman ng House of Representatives at sinabi na rin naman na ng Speaker of the House na they will comply. So, I don't see any problem in na pagsabayin na yon, no?
Sir, follow up lang po. Sorry. Sir, follow up lang doon sa yung sa prosecutors. Kailangan pa ba talaga ng plenary action? Kailangan pa aprobahan ng House plenary yung mga prosecutors na papalit?
Well, because nga collegial body ang Congress, no, how do they actually authorize somebody? No, like for example, in a corporation, kapag corporation yan, para yung isang tao ay ma-authorize to represent the corporation, then the board of directors has to come up with a board resolution and the corporate secretary will have to come up with a secretary certificate. So, in any collegial body, ganun po may memorialize yung authority to be given to any person. So, as a collegial body, Congress as a collegial body is expected to also do the same. So, ako po, basic lang naman po yun, no? Kung meron pong other way na gagawin po sila, then tingnan na lang po natin kung ano po yung ipapasa nila and then let the impeachment court decide on the sufficiency of their compliance or submissions.